What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Happy holidays to you. I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, please smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified for each and every time I upload new videos, guys. Look in the right hand corner there. You're going to see a little square, a little subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that for me. Alright, guys, and like the video, please and thank you. I'm back, guys, with another review for one of my favorite low ticket programs called M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. Unlimited payments 24/7. Discover a simple system that pays you unlimited times per day. The link is in the description for this program. www.besteasyworkincome.com. Alright, go there and check this out. This is one of the capture pages that we use. The economy is a mess. I like this capture page because it's relevant to the state we're in right now, right? So people, they can relate to this, right? And it has a video, which is pretty cool. Okay, you gotta go check it out. I'll put the link in the description so you can go check it out. All right, so let's talk about it. Let's do a quick review on this program. Okay, I think it's awesome because it's affordable for the masses. The price point is great. It's only a total of $280 to get this system. Okay, $247 will go to your inviter, and $33 goes to the company. Okay, that's it. You're in, one-time payment, no monthly fees. Alrighty, the key to wealth is discovering a way to get paid while you sleep. Absolutely. Doing something one time, setting up a system, an automated system, so you can go on about your life, about your day. Send people to your capture page and let the system do all the heavy lifting. That's automation. Okay, so the system right here will allow you to get paid $247 over and over, guys. It's a built-in done-for-you funnels. The system is already completely set up. The capture page, the video, built-in follow-up emails that's going to go out to your prospects on your behalf. Okay, while you're out living life, these emails are going to be following up with your prospects. Okay, and this is all on autopilot. So you auto recruiting. Okay, your job is to promote the program, send traffic over to your capture page. See this whole design that they've got here, the done for you system. Capture page, your job is to send people there, whether you're buying traffic or you're doing free advertising, whatever you're doing, right? We show you what to do though. So you send people, they go to the capture page, they watch the video, okay, that explains the program, and then they get the follow-up emails that's going to go out on your behalf. So the system is basically auto-recruiting people for you to make your life easier. A complete sales funnel, okay? And then you get some bonuses with this. As they state, you're getting an autoresponder that's included, so you don't have to worry about going up and setting up a third-party autoresponder. It's already included. There is no monthly fees here. It's a free members area. You actually have a back office, a whole dashboard where you can track your commissions, your sales, your leads. Everything is there. Your marketing resources is there. They also have an 800 number that you can use on any advertising that you do. There's no cap on your commissions. You can earn unlimited $247 payments instantly. Did I mention that? Instantly, any way you want. Whether you want to accept debit cards, whether you want to accept payments with your Venmo card, your Cash App, credit cards, however you want to get paid, guys, you set that up in your profile, and that's how people will pay you. Okay, you're paid directly to your favorite account, whatever way that is. This is your business. All right, and they, as I stated, they have a robust tracking interface, so you can track your analytics of everything that's going on in your business, all under one roof, promoting this one funnel. Okay, here's another video. You want to check this one out as well. Here's some screenshots of proof that people are making money with this program. It's already been proven. I've even showed you guys many sales that I've made with this. You get digital products that's going to show you how to make money online, not just necessarily promoting this program. This is universal training that you can use to promote any business that you're already in. Okay, so you get the digital products, and you can access this system from any smart device as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so nothing major, just a smart device, whether it's a tablet, smartphone. Okay, that's all you need to get this thing going. How does the compensation plan work? As you get your money back on your first sale, right? You pay $280 to get in, right? So you pay the company $33, your sponsor $247. Your very first sale you make, you get to keep that first sale, so you've made your money back, right? Now the company gives you leverage with the program because they offer what they call a one-up comp plan. Everyone passes up their second sale. See how they have an X here? The second sale passes up. So the first sale you keep, the second sale passes up. Everybody does this. Then the third sale to infinity is yours to keep. So just imagine you're going to receive every person that signs up with you their second sale. That's powerful. If you do the math on that, that's $494 per person. Okay? Think about that. $247 per person. You get the second sale of everybody that signs up with you. $494 per person. All right? Getting paid passively. All right? Because those second sales is going to be the passive income. Okay? That you don't even have an idea that's coming to you and when they're coming. Right? So unexpected commissions just falling in your lap. All right? Lucrative plan that assures you to receive passive payments. Awesome system. And it's simple. Nothing complicated here. All right? So, proven system, $247 over and over and over with one page. It's a one-page closer. So, I don't want you to miss out on this. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to take you over to the back office real briefly, and then you can get started. Click the link in the description to get started, and I'll pay for your first paid advertising. All right, guys, so let's check out the back office real quick. All right, guys, as soon as you log in, you're going to see these steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just follow the steps. Very simple, newbie-friendly system. Step 1, get activated. Step 2, get your website. Step 3, get your traffic, which they list all the traffic resources here on how you can start earning the $247 commissions, and I'll show you that. By the way, when you log in, this is your control panel. This changes every 24 hours. Okay, right here is your referral link. That this is what you're going to share with others, or if you want to run traffic, this is the link you're going to give out. Right here, guys, it says resources. Here's all the different ways that you can promote this opportunity. Resources right here. So they make it very simple and easy for you to start earning commissions, start promoting your business. How do I do that? Right here. They give you all the resources right here. As well as you'll have me as your guide. Okay, once you get started, I receive my payment. I will be in touch with you and send you a welcome email. I need you to send me your link so that I can start running traffic to it for you. Okay, and we'll have a little nice chat so we can make sure we get a marketing plan in place for you so that you can start getting traction in your business. Okay, all right, guys, that's how that's going to work. Now let's look at something real quick here. Okay, without showing this person's information, another proof payment that this works. Right here, see how I accepted a payment via Stripe. You can use Stripe and get your payments instantly, where you can accept debit cards and credit card payments, guys. So this system works, okay? If you work the system, again, okay? Okay, we're not saying there's a guaranteed of income. I can't promise you what you're going to make, but what I can promise is the possibility is here if you follow the system, okay, and what we tell you to do and be consistent with that. All right, guys. So with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, thank you so much. Like the video as well, please, and thank you. I'll see you on the inside. The link is below, www.besteasyworkincome.com. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Happy holidays.